Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to another session of Explore with Hina. Well, in today's lesson, we will be exploring the topic of subject-verb agreement. This is an essential part of grammar that helps make sentences clear and grammatically correct. Let's jump in to understand what subject-verb agreement is and how to use it properly. Subject-verb agreement simply means that the subject and verb in a sentence must match or agree. In number, if the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb should be plural. This rule is essential for clear communication. The basic rule of subject-verb agreement is straightforward. If the subject is singular, use a singular verb. For example, the cat jumps on the table. If the subject is plural, use a plural verb like the cats jump on the table. This agreement makes sentences grammatically correct and easy to understand. Some special cases include indefinite pronouns like everyone, someone, and nobody, which are always singular and require a singular verb. For example, everyone loves pizza. Other pronouns like many and few are plural and require plural verbs. So we would say many enjoy pizza. When two subjects are connected by and, they form a plural subject and require a plural verb. As in Tom and Jerry are funny. However, if the subjects are connected by or nor, the verb agrees with the closest subject, so either the dog or the cats are outside. Collective nouns like team or family can be tricky. When referring to the group as a single unit, use a singular verb, as in the team wins every game. If you are referring to individual members acting separately, use a plural verb, like the team are arguing among themselves. This can change depending on the context. Let's practice with a few examples. I will read a sentence and you can decide if the subject and verb agree. For example, the list of items are on the table. Here, list is singular, so it should be the list of the items is on the table. Try the next two sentences yourself to test your understanding. Here are the correct answers. The first sentence should be the list of items is on the table. In the second, each of the players has a trophy. And for the third one, depending on context, the committee are deciding on their next steps. If you're referring to them as individuals, great work. To summarize, subject-verb agreement is about making sure singular subjects have singular verbs and plural subjects have plural verbs. Remember to double-check tricky cases like collective nouns and indefinite pronouns. Practicing these rules will help improve both writing and speaking accuracy. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more informative videos and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.